Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact. Breathe easier, live better. Attention all tech and health enthusiasts. If you're searching for a way to dramatically improve the air quality in your home, then the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact is an absolute must-have. This ingenious little device doesn't just clean the air, it transforms the way you breathe. Let's dive in and discover why it's making waves in the world of smart home tech. Compact Powerhouse. Don't let its small dimensions fool you. The Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact packs a powerful punch. Boasting an impressive CADR, clean air delivery rate, of 230 cubic meters/h, this efficient purifier can thoroughly refresh the air in a 16 to 27 square meters room in a matter of minutes. It's perfect for bedrooms, home offices, or any space where you want to create a cleaner, healthier environment. Triple layer filtration, unmatched air quality. The secret to the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact's exceptional performance lies in its 3-in-1 True HEPA filter. Here's how it works. Pre-filter captures large particles like hair, dust, and pet dander. This layer protects the finer filters and prolongs their lifespan. True HEPA filter, this powerhouse removes up to 99.97% of microscopic pollutants, that includes allergens, smoke, mold spores, pollen, and even some bacteria and viruses, down to a minuscule size of 0.3 microns. Activated carbon filter tackles pesky odors, fumes, and VOCs, volatile organic compounds, leaving your room smelling fresh. With this trifecta of filtration, you'll enjoy cleaner air, clearer sinuses, and maybe even fewer allergy flare-ups. Smart and convenient, the future of air purification. The Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact is where style meets substance. Here's why it's the smart choice. Control from anywhere. Use the intuitive Mi Home app to remotely turn your purifier on and off. Schedule operation, or check your air quality in real time, all from your smartphone. Voice control, compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can command your purifier with just a few words. Alexa, turn on the air purifier has never been more satisfying. PM 2.5 sensor, monitors your air quality in real time. The purifier automatically adjusts its filtration speed based on how polluted the air is. OLED touch display, get at a glance updates on air quality, filter lifespan, and operational modes, right on the device. Other awesome features. The Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact doesn't stop there. Additional features that make it a real winner include whisper quiet operation. At a mere 20 decibels on the lowest setting, it silently works its magic. Sleep soundly while it purifies the air around you. Energy efficient. This little powerhouse offers maximum purification with minimal energy usage. Sleek design. Small footprint and a minimalist white design ensure it blends seamlessly with your decor. The verdict: should you buy it? If you value clean air, smart features, and hassle-free operation, then the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact is a no-brainer. It's an affordable investment in your, and your loved ones', health. Whether you have allergies, pets, or just want to create a cleaner living environment, this purifier won't disappoint. Want to see more exciting tech reviews and comparisons? Be sure to check out the other videos in this playlist or the recommended video in the description. Your next tech obsession awaits.